Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best over-door drying racks is probably one of the most practical and space-saving solutions for anyone struggling with limited laundry space, transforming cluttered areas into efficient drying zones without sacrificing precious floor or wall real estate, making it an indispensable tool for modern homes seeking both functionality and tidiness. Number 5. Honey Can Do Collapsible Clothes Drying Rack. Introducing the Honey Can Do Collapsible Clothes Drying Rack. It's designed for convenience, making laundry day simpler. Crafted from sturdy steel, this rack is built to last. It can handle all your laundry needs, from clothes to towels. When not in use, it collapses down easily, saving you valuable space. Perfect for apartments or smaller homes. Use it indoors in your laundry room or outdoors on the patio. It's a versatile solution for drying your garments. This reliable rack provides ample space for hanging clothes. You can dry your laundry efficiently and effectively. Make laundry less of a chore with this essential home accessory. It's the practical choice for any household. What we like? This one is built to last with its sturdy steel construction. It collapses down for easy storage when not in use. If you have limited space and need a reliable rack for everyday laundry or towels, this is a great choice. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds a good amount of clothes. It's easy to install and doesn't damage the door. The design is sleek and doesn't take up much space. Number 4. GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline. Get your laundry drying solution set up in minutes. All the necessary hardware is included, making it perfect for your laundry room, balcony, or even your RV. Tired of clutter? This retractable clothesline tidies up small spaces with a simple one-touch retraction. It's an ideal solution for apartments, bathrooms, and RVs. Need to dry a lot? It extends up to 14.1 feet, easily handling towels, linens, delicates, and baby clothes. Its heavy-duty design ensures reliable drying. Cut down on your energy bills by air drying your laundry. Not only does it save you money, but it's also gentler on your fabrics. This versatile clothesline is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Dry wet towels, bed sheets, cloth diapers, and gym clothes wherever you need to. Its modern stainless steel housing complements any decor. It seamlessly fits into your laundry room, bathroom, or balcony. When not in use, it retracts instantly, hiding away for a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Enjoy a tidy space with this convenient design. What we like? This offers impressive 14.1 feet of drying space that retracts neatly when not in use. It's incredibly easy to install, making it perfect for apartments, balconies, or RVs where space is at a premium. If you want a discreet drying solution that maximizes your available space, this is the one. What people say. The drying rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of clothes. It was easy to assemble and install, and it doesn't take up much space. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my laundry room. Number 3. SONGMICS 59-inch Folding Laundry Drying Rack ULLR 510W01. This laundry drying rack is designed to be compact. It takes up minimal floor space when in use and folds down neatly for easy storage. Easily arrange your clothes for air drying on the 3 rotating arms. You can effortlessly turn them to hang or remove garments quickly. It features designated spots on the arms to secure hangers. This rack can hold up to 27 items, supporting a total weight of 33 pounds. Assembly is a breeze with its simple 7-part construction, taking just a minute to set up or take down. It's also convenient for drying clothes on the go, like during camping trips. Constructed with a stainless steel main pole and legs, it offers excellent rust resistance and durability. The 4-leg base provides superior stability compared to similar products. What we like? With its unique 360 degrees rotatable arms and capacity for 27 items, this rack makes organizing and drying clothes a breeze. It's also very easy to set up and take down, making it portable for camping trips. If you appreciate efficient organization and a compact design, this is ideal for you. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds a good amount of clothes. It was easy to assemble and fits perfectly over my door. The design is sleek and doesn't take up too much space. Number 2. HOLDN storage over the door hanger. Tired of clutter? This over-the-door hook is the perfect solution to add extra storage exactly when you need it. It's designed to help you make the most of the space you have. Get organized in minutes. This hook rack comes ready to use right out of the box. No tools or drilling required, simply hang it over your door for instant storage. Need storage only sometimes? This hanger is both expandable and collapsible, offering flexibility that other door racks lack. It's the convenient storage solution you've been looking for. Hang anything you need, from clothes and coats to towels. It's ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, dorm rooms, and laundry areas, providing a convenient spot for your belongings. Crafted from durable metal, this rack is built for heavy-duty use. It can easily hold wet clothing, heavy winter coats, towels, and more, ensuring reliable storage. Don't worry about overloading it. This sturdy hook can hold up to 20 pounds, making it a dependable option for your heaviest items. What we like? This rack cleverly utilizes vertical space by hanging over your door, and it's collapsible for convenience. Installation is a snap with no drilling needed. If you're looking to maximize storage in small areas like dorm rooms or bathrooms without damaging your doors, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds a good amount of clothes. It was easy to assemble and fits perfectly over my door. The design is sleek and doesn't take up too much space. Number 1. SONGMICS Foldable 2-Level Clothes Drying Rack. Introducing a spacious solution for your laundry needs. With 4 wings and 33 rails across 2 levels, it provides ample room for all your clothes, towels, and blankets. Tired of small items falling? This rack includes 27 clips, perfect for drying socks, underwear, and other accessories without worry. Need to dry longer items? The top 2 wings are adjustable to 3 different heights, accommodating everything from shirts to pants and even sheets. Forget complicated assembly. This rack is ready to go right out of the box. It also folds easily for convenient storage or transport. Crafted with durable, water, and rust-resistant materials, it's designed to handle wet laundry season after season. What we like? This offers a massive drying capacity with its 2 levels and 33 rails, plus handy sock clips. The adjustable wings allow you to customize the height for different garment lengths. If you have a large family or do a lot of laundry and need maximum drying space without taking up too much floor area, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. It is made well, wing sections move smoothly, it is solid and balanced when all wings extended and you couldn't ask for more. Super quick and easy to assemble and disassemble while folding up nicely. Pretty sturdy without it being too heavy. Holds a good amount of clothes as well. This is a great quality product, super easy to use, holds a lot of clothes. Love how functional it is. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.